JP Balasta together with Miles Marzano and John Sandre Ramos to present our mini pitch presentation with the name of our system, the Archive System. Yeah, next slide. So our system name and purpose. Our system name is the Archive System. The Archive System is a document archiving system designed to securely store, manage, and retrieve digital documents from our organizations. So we aim po to improve our document organization, streamline search and retrieval, and ensure secure access controls to sensitive files. So, meron din po kaming mga main objects para po mapatunayan yung aming pag-implement ng system ng Dorkive. Our main objects po is to improve the document organization, yung pagkakaayos ng mga files, to streamline search and retrieval po ng mga files, and to ensure secure access control to sensitive files. And our Dorkive system is a web-based system accessible on any web browsers, and it is uses encryptions to keep files safe. So, nagkaroon din po kami dito ng mga target users, which is mga students po. Ayun lang po.
So, dito naman po sa key features and requirements. Now, let's talk about the key features of the archive system. The archive have document upload and tagging. In the tagging part, we can add metadata like title, author, and category. So, in advanced search, we can search by keywords, tags, dates, or document types. Sa user access control naman, there are sets of permissions based on user roles. Tapos, in version control, we can track document changes and previous versions. So, on the audit log, record every user activity like uploads and deletions for security purpose. Archive management has organized files into department and folders. Some key system requirements are browser accessibility, secure storage using encryption, bulk upload, and download support. We also have responsive and mobile-friendly design. So this is the system architecture overview. The front end provides the interface for user to upload, search, and manage document. In the back end part, the API handles logic and communication with the database and storage. The database stores metadata and users logs for security. The file storage holds the uploaded documents, and the authentication service manage logins, user roles, and permissions.
Then let's move forward to team plan summary. So members responsibility. So our team responsibilities were divided as follows. So for Marzano, front end UI UX upload search modules, back end API development and file storage integration. Then for me, database schema, design and implementing audit logging. Then for Balasta, authentication, access control and documentation. As a team, we also collaborated on testing, gathering feedback, and integrating the system. So, we followed a structured breakdown structured, starting from requirements gathering, then moving to design, development, and testing phases, ending with system integration and deployment. Each phase had clear milestone to ensure project success. Next slide, please. Then, thank you very much for your time and attention. We are excited to answer any question you may have.